Namaskara, namaste. Namaskaram, vanakkam. My name is Rahul and welcome to another vlog of Nature Travelers. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about trekking. So, trekking is something that I've been doing since quite a while now. I've been fortunate enough to trek some of the very famous peaks in Western Ghats. So, my first ever trek was in 2016 when I went to Kudremukha. So, though it was an unsuccessful trek, it was always special for me because that was the first time I ever went for trekking. So, I went with my friends without actually knowing what trekking is. So because of we weren't able to complete the trek, but still, it was always special for me. It'll remain special for me, Kudremukha trek. So after Kudremukha, I went twice to Kodachadri. I did the Gokarna beach trek. So why trekking is relevant here is the following video you guys are going to watch is all about a trek that I did in September last year. September, I was on a 2-day trip to Chikmagalur and Kudremukha. So day 1, we were in Chikmagalur doing some sightseeing and the famous Z Point trek. Day 2, we were in Kudremukha. So this video is all about the day 1 Chikmagalur stuff. So you guys watch the video and enjoy. Meanwhile, I'll go for a short break and I'll be right back.
Chikmagalur is undoubtedly one of the most favorite tourist destinations in Karnataka. So it actually takes its name from the Kannada words Chikmagalur, which literally translates to younger daughter's town. It is said to have been given as a dowry to the youngest daughter of Rukmangada, who was the legendary chief of Sakrepatna. National Highway 173 passes through Chikmagalur, connecting it with the state capital Bangalore, which is around 250 kilometers away. And one more interesting thing of Chikmagalur is that Karnataka's tallest peak, Manikyadhara, is located here. And the Chikmagalur mountains, which are a part of the Western Ghats, the source of rivers such as Tunga and Bhadra. So the first place that we visited in Chikmagalur was Bababudangiri. So usually when we say Chikmagalur, Manikyadhara is the most commonly visited place over there. But since we had already been there in our previous trip, we decided to give it a miss and we headed towards Bababudangiri.
This is on the way to Bababudangiri. Man, amazing. Just look at the weather. This place is completely covered with fog, you can see, totally foggy. So this is called as Bababudangiri. I'm standing right in front of this place. As you can see, I can see nothing but only fog. The place is completely covered with fog. Bababudangiri, completely foggy.
Bababudangiri is a mountain in the Bababudan range and is renowned for its shrine to the Sufi saint Hazrat Dada Hayat Kalandar, who is also known as Bababudan. This is a famous pilgrimage site for both Hindus and Muslims. This mountain range is also known as Dattagiri Hill Range, as the shrine here is believed to be associated with Hindu god Guru Dattatreya. This mountain range proudly exhibits one of the highest mountain peaks with altitude lying between that of the Himalayas and the Nilgiris. One more interesting fact about Chikmagalur is that coffee was introduced in India for the first time in Chikmagalur district in the year 1670 when the first coffee crop was grown in the Bababudangiri range. According to the articles Origins of Coffee, Saint Bababudan travelled to Mecca on a pilgrimage where he found coffee. To introduce its taste to India, he wrapped up 7 coffee seeds around his stomach and left them out of Arabia. After returning, he planted those beans in the Chikmagalur hills. So this is on the way to Manikyadhara Falls. It's raining and the rain stops suddenly and again it starts raining, drizzling, fog, wind, there's everything here. So this is Manikyadhara Falls. While returning from Bababudangiri, we came across this very beautiful lake or a pond that looked so beautiful because it was completely covered with fog and mist. It was also windy out there and it looked so photogenic. The water over there was so freezing cold, and this place truly gave us a heavenly feel. At the same time, this place also looked quite mysterious to us because there were no one around, and it looks like it was a place where some rituals were being done.
I'm not able to see how big this lake is, because of the fog. The visibility is so bad here, so bad. So beautiful. Seriously, look at this. Oh my god. Whoa. This is where we stopped for lunch, but I just wanted to show you a view of this place opposite. Look at this. Just have a look at this view, the mountain far away. Oh my god. That's such a magnificent view. Man, I just feel like going over there to those mountains.
We then continued our journey to Kemmengundi. So actually Kemmengundi was not in our plan. We just made a sudden plan to go to Kemmengundi. Kemmengundi is a hill station in Tarikere Taluk of Chikmagalur district. So it is actually situated at a height of 1434 meters above sea level. So this was actually the summer retreat of Krishna Rajendra Wadeyar IV, and as a mark of respect to the king, it is also known as Sri Krishna Rajendra Hill Station. Kemmengundi actually derives its name from the three Kannada words Kempu Mannu Gundi, which means red soil pit. So from here, we started our trek to Z Point in Kemmengundi. So the Z Point trek in Kemmengundi is not a long trek. It's just a short trek of around 3 kilometers. But though this is a short trek, it cannot really be underestimated because there are several factors that makes this short trek little challenging in the monsoon. So first of all, we started this trek little late. We should have reached there early, but we reached there only by around 4 p.m. So we were literally rushing to complete the trek, and it was completely drizzling or raining throughout the trek. So it was not possible for us to have a clear vision, and the visibility was a little poor.
So all of these factors made this trek little challenging, but monsoon treks are really worth all these challenges because the fog, the mist and the greenery really gives a totally different color to the trek. So the Z Point trek in Kemmengundi starts from Raj Bhavan. So it opens from here to thick forest. So inside these forests you will find several water streams. So here the trek is really challenging because you will be definitely attacked by several leeches. So as expected, we were attacked by plenty of leeches, and we had to stop every now and then to get rid of them. This is where the trek gets a little more challenging. Once you come out of the forest trail, you arrive at a short waterfalls. So the trek is relatively easy till here, but from here it gets a little difficult as the path is very narrow. On one side you will find deep gorges and on the other side steep hills. Also the wind blows very heavily here, so we had to stop every now and then so that the wind doesn't push us into the deep gorge. So this is one place where you have to be really careful. how actually the Z Point trek ended. We finished the trek, we stopped the trek there itself and we came back without reaching the end point. So actually what happened is, by the time we started the trek itself, it was quite late. We started like at around 3 or 3:30. So we realized that if we go ahead, it would be difficult for us to come back. It would be very late. Because after 6 o'clock it would be very dark, and there would not be any light or any other support for us. So that's okay. Anyways, I'll definitely go back to Z Point trek once again. Probably post monsoon season, maybe after August, maybe September, October. I'll go there once again and I'll finish the trek for sure. So this is all about my Chikmagalur video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If yes, do like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's very important. So the next video is all about the day 2 Kudremukha. It's coming very soon, so stay tuned for that video. Until I come back with a new video and a new adventure, this is Rahul signing out of Nature Travelers. Bye bye.